Good morning, students. Welcome to the science class. Today, we are going to see the topic about agriculture. I think you know very well about this topic because we are all living in the village area. Agriculture done only in the village area, isn't it? Okay, we will see the topic. What is mean by agriculture? We grow crops on a large scale is called agriculture. See here, the practice of growing crops on a large scale. Large scale means what's amount. Large amount is called agriculture. Children, agriculture is a extensive process. It cannot be done in one day or 1 month. There are 6 steps in the agriculture. They are plowing, manuring, sowing, irrigation, spraying of pesticides, and the last one, harvesting. We will see the first step, plowing. Children, in this step, the soil is become loosened with the help of some tools like bullocks or by a tractor. Why we have to do? Because the soil has nutrients. If we plow the soil, all the nutrients place equal in the soil. So we have to do this steps. Next one, manuring. What is mean by manuring? Manure is added to the soil to increase the fertility of the soil. That is, we have to increase the nutrients in the soil. How we have to increase the nutrients in the soil? We need to add nutrients to the soil because different types of crops need different types of nutrients. It can be done only we have to adding certain type of chemical substances which is known as fertilizers. If we are adding the fertilizers to the soil will get extra nutrients. So we are adding the fertilizers. There are two types of fertilizers are there. The first one is artificial fertilizers and the second one is natural fertilizers. You know the meaning of artificial and natural. Artificial fertilizers means the fertilizer made up of some chemical substances. It is made by human being. For example, urea. I think you heard this word urea. Urea is the artificial fertilizers. Next one, natural fertilizer. The fertilizer made up of some natural things. For example, cow dung. After this step, the soil is ready for sowing the seeds. So the third step is sowing. What is mean by sowing? The process of placing the seeds in the soil to grow a new plant is called sowing. Seeds are sown. Seeds are sown at suitable distance. Sowing can be done manually or either with the help of machine called seed drills, which is shown in this picture. This machine name is called seed drill. What is the reason why we are using this machine? If we are using the machine, we have to save the time. If you are doing this process manually, it will take long time. So we are using the seed drills machines. Children, I hope you understand this 3 steps. Next class we will see remaining 3 steps. Thank you.